Students will find that they have the unique opportunity to interact in classes that have hands-on experience in world-class facilities. They can take that learning and apply it directly to work experience, whether that's on campus or in the community and in internships. And they also are part of a cohesive group of students and faculty through the Culinology Club, the Student Hospitality Organization Club, and have the opportunity to participate in the living and learning communities here on campus. So it's a very cohesive program that is setting the students up for future career success.
Here at SMSU, we have professors that are here full-time, and then we're supplemented with industry professionals that come in here for our cooking classes and different workshops that we have. A lot of it also goes through our clubs, Culinology and Show Club. They have industry professors, brewmasters, professional chefs come in here, and they know what we need as students to be able to be successful in the industry.
We have highly qualified faculty. They have terminal degrees and in food-related areas. Diverse, highly qualified faculty members.
When I first came on campus, I met not only campus professors, but the ones within this department. And when you first meet them, they're very happy you're here. They want to hear about your goals. And whether it be the head of the department or the sub-departments of hospitality and culinology, they not only care about you, but they know who you are.
Professors here have helped me a lot. Being an international student, it's always hard when it comes to adjusting and doing assignments, and they've been very helpful towards me. And I even remember one time this professor offered to come in on a weekend to help me out with a project, which was very touching, and that's the kind of experience I take away from SMSU.
They know your goals, they know where you want to go in the industry, and they are going to be the ones that directly help you pick classes and internships and things like that for your future.
The number one thing I think that this program is set apart really has to deal with the professional ties that we've created. With every single different company, they're all there willing to help, willing to just give you advice and willing to mentor you until you're a professional.
We have a smaller program, but that's not a bad thing for us. It's really good because we get direct interaction with our professors. I know directly where all their offices are. I can walk up to them during their office hours at any time, and I can say, "Hello, what's going on? I have this question on this homework assignment," and they're willing to take the time to sit down and guide you through it.
In the smaller class size, you get this close-knit feeling, and that's what made the difference for me. I wasn't going to be a number, and they were going to know who I was, and they care about you as you reach your goals and make class schedules and make choices for your future. They really support you.